If bananas turn black, don't toss them. Try this next time. I grabbed 4 brown bananas looking as hopeless as me after a non-stop week. I cut off the ends and halved them. Then I put them in a pot with water and salt for a hot 15-minute bath, making them soft and wrinkly like a happy grandpa after a spa day. After the bath, I took them out, let them rest, and wow! I took them to the blender for a union. There they transformed from lonely bananas into a smooth cream. Imagine bananas chatting in the blender. No longer 4 friends, now they were 1. Once blended, I let them rest while I poured half a cup of warm milk in another bowl. I added about 10 grams of yeast, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar for sweetness, 2 fresh eggs, and a tablespoon of melted butter. Picture the butter, a bit shy but ready to join the party as it melts and blends in. Then I grabbed 2 cups of wheat flour to start, adding a pinch of salt for that extra personality. Now for the star ingredient, those forgotten bananas ready to join our flour and yeast fiesta. I'll be honest, I lost count of how much flour I added while mixing everything together. I placed the dough in a bowl, covered it with plastic wrap and a towel, like tucking it in for a nap. It rose for an hour. Meanwhile, I mixed a 1/4 cup of milk and egg and a teaspoon of vanilla. Ah, that vanilla, adding a sweet touch like a warm hug from mom. After enthusiastically whisking this mixture, I set it aside for a moment. I checked my dough again, all puffed up like a porcupine after a big meal. Then I set aside a small portion and rolled the rest into balls. Pro tip: if the balls are sticky, dust them with flour to prevent sticking. Next, I grabbed a mold and lined it with baking paper. I greased it well with olive oil to ensure nothing would stick. I placed the dough balls in there, like old friends reuniting. Covered them again for a short nap to double in size. Meanwhile, I rolled out some dough on the table, nice and thin. Then I cut it into triangles like dough origami. I spread some hazelnut cream on each triangle, an irresistible treat. My girls love it. It's one of their favorite snacks. I rolled each triangle up, croissant style. I know this dough isn't meant for this, but the heart wants what it wants, right? I took my milk and egg mix and gave each little ball a quick brush. I sprinkled some sesame seeds, or as we say here, sesame. What do you call them in your country? I also added some chia seeds because why not? I popped it in the oven for about 25 minutes until golden brown. These bananas are a true ancestral treat that I'm sure you'll love.